Hey everybody, it's a Monday morning, November the 7th, and I really apologize. I had a family emergency last week, and I actually had to skip out of town Wednesday night, so it was not available for the weekend, and I apologize because I quickly left, and I thought I had covered everything, and I realized now that I didn't. So I know there's been some questions about the Supreme Court assignment, so let me address those first, and then I'll go into some other things to talk about. So, you were supposed to be split into groups, and unfortunately, I guess the button for the group list didn't show up. So you didn't see what group you were in terms of what to do with the case study. So I know some of you have already submitted, and I greatly appreciate that. For those of you that have, you can keep what you have. I did post the groups now. I did click the button, and so it should show up at this point who the groups are. I will let you decide. You just basically, bottom line is you need to have, they have the 3 case studies there. You need to be a bioethicist on one, and you need to be a judge on the other 2. So I will, at this point, if you'll go into your groups that you have and just make a decision amongst your group members. When you go into people here, you will see the group should pop up. I'm not in my view, so unfortunately it's not going to show me that, but up here at the top it should say Supreme Court groups. So you can go in there and just do a quick discussion with your teammates and decide who wants to do what. I will extend the due date for this assignment to November the 9th, so Wednesday by midnight. That should give you 2 extra days plus today, so 3 days almost to complete it. So hopefully that will help alleviate what happened, and I really do honestly apologize greatly. It was just kind of a very quick thing that happened, and there wasn't a whole lot that I could do to change it. Everything is fine, so nothing for anyone to worry about. After you're done with the Supreme Court cases, I have opened up a portion of Unit 5, so I will be a little extra flexible by a day on the HALA assignment, which is the one that is due on Wednesday. It's a very quick assignment, though, so it shouldn't take you very long. You watch this little news clip, read a little bit about Henrietta Lacks, and in your discussion post, answer the 3 questions that I posed to you here. So it's not real super challenging, but I'll extend that one a day as well, just in case. The syllabus Gantt chart is up, so please make sure to go through and take a look at everything that you have here. This unit goes to November the 20th. There are some interesting assignments and a couple that you are going to have to go back and revisit, so please make sure that you do that. This one right here, specifically the research gallery, you're going to have it turned in. I'm going to post the photos for the gallery, and then you have to revisit on the 14th and the 15th to get the grade for that assignment. So make sure that you do that. And here are sort of the timelines and things like that for you to take a look at. Real quick, let's go into a little bit. There's a lot of more lecture-y based stuff here because you have the history of research and ethics in research, and so there's a lot of things here to go through, so spend some time. There's a part 1 and a part 2 here in this assignment, and again, you're going to be posting in the discussion board. This will be edited. This rubric is a little off, and so I will edit that for you as well, but for now that's up there. And then here's again some more lecture notes. You're going to learn about the Belmont report, and then a couple of case studies to go through and answer some questions on. Again, it's a very interesting topic because we're talking about what do we constitute human subjects, animal subjects, how are we allowed to do research on those individuals, and what are the ethics that are behind that. And there are some standardizations out there, so I want you to spend some time looking at that. Then you're going to get into the non-human animal research information, and again, there's quite a bit of stuff to look over. Some of this stuff is just policy and procedure information so that you know how to analyze things, and then you're going to do what's called a cost-benefit analysis slide. And so you are going to research one of these 6 topics. You have to pick one of the 6 and then let me know which ones you're doing, so I can just make sure. I just want to verify that everyone is going to not pick the same topic. So if you can, once you decide on that topic, if you'll take a look early, the earlier you look the better, and let me know what you're interested in. That way I can make sure that we spread out between those topics. And then you're going to submit a no-name slide that I will post on the gallery page, which is here, and then you will go back and you are going to do a analysis on the slide, and then there is a Google form that you're going to fill out that looks like this, and you are going to judge basically whether or not the research should have been funded, not funded, and things like that. So it's a very multi-stepped assignment, so hopefully it shouldn't be too challenging to figure out, but if you have any questions, please let me know. Then you're going to look at this IRB and some case studies again here and talk about that. And so those are the ones that I've posted up to now. There are more things that will be coming up, but that should get you well into the, I think it's about the 13th or so, 14th of November. So hopefully that works out for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, I apologize about the Supreme Court assignment, and hopefully the extension should help you out getting those done. So I'm going to post this on the homepage. I'm going to send it to you in an email. I'm also going to post it in the announcement section, so should be no reason that you don't get this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.